if we want to assign badge like this to products, first of all we need to download the icons. So I highly recommend using flat icon. And for example, we want to assign a shipping icon to that product, free shipping. Let's say free shipping. I search for free shipping icon here, and let's download this one. And the PNG is free. Okay, now let's go to the product tab, to that product, edit mode, and from the second tab, survey and features, scroll down to see the badge section. Now please select the create new badge, and after that you can write the title for the badge, for example free shipping, which will be shown on the product page. And also you can even assign a link to that badge, so that if people click on that icon, they will be redirected to the specific page. From here we need to upload the logo. Please make sure that the size of the image is less than 120 kilobytes. Add, and after that, from here we can select free shipping. I already added support, and then continue, save, continue. So when you, for the first time when you add those icons, all of them will be saved in Selldone system, so you can use for the further um, actions. Now let's see the products with these two icons here. You see